Hello everyone, welcome back to my spoken English practice series. In this series, I practice English daily and I speak in a very simple English that uh, beginners understand easily. So today I am talk about why I decide to improve English step by step, not overnight. So I always thought that I must speak English fluently very fast, and I used to watch fluent English speakers and I listen fluent English speakers, and I afraid because they speak fluently and they speak confidently. So I always afraid, and I thought why I am not mm, good in English, why I am not speak fluent English, and why I am not confident in English, and why I am not confident in overall way. So then I understood and I realized one thing, that English is not magic. English is a skill, and skills takes time. So English is not improve in one night, just like we we cannot become uh, fit in one day. We cannot become a topper in one exam. We cannot become confident suddenly. Same here, English, we cannot be fluent in English speaking, so it takes time. If we start small steps, and if we start one day at a time, then we will be improve it. And I think right mindset is very important in improving any skills, because when we thought we improve overnight, this mindset was very wrong, or this mindset is very wrong, because nothing is here that we improve overnight. Every skills takes time, so like English. So and I stop comparing myself with others that already fluent and that already successful in or in their field. So because they gives times to improve their skills, so now I cannot compare myself with others. And now I think about actions daily, not about only thinking that I will be improve myself in one day and I will be successful. Not that, like that. Now I think about actions. Now I started record a video daily in English language. In this I record in English language. It is very simple English, because I am not perfect in English. I make mistakes, I paused sometime, I repeated words, but I still record video, because I know if I stop my practicing, then I will never improve myself and I will never improve my fluency of spoken English. And if I am talking about fluency, it is very big deal for me, because I don't know any grammar rule, I don't know English spoken, but I still try to speak in English. But still I record myself, and before this I never ever face camera, but still I record, because I want to remove my fear of facing camera and by judging people. So that's why I record a video daily, I improve myself every day, and I upload this on YouTube, so people's judgments makes me more confident. Because whenever people's correct my mistakes, I improve myself accordingly, and I found my mistakes. And whenever I record a video and I listen to myself, I found my mistakes and I improve them. So I think one small step is very important than very big step. And nothing happened to overnight. All the skills, all the things takes time. And that's why I decided to improve my English step by step, not overnight. So for this I start record a video daily, because when I record a video daily, I learn First of all, I decide a topic, then I learn what I say in the topic, and I learn full script like that. But I learn new words, I learn new vocabs, and I listen words in the context, in which context which word use, and whatever how the sentence form, and all these things I noticed and I observe. And whenever I record a video, I learned so many things. I improve my confidence every time. So that's why I started this series, and in this series you are also support me, you are also learn new things, you are also improve your spoken English and improve your fluency. Now I am at beginner level, so I speak very simple English, but slowly I improve myself and I improve my level of English, and we will improve together. So if you are watching this video, you like this video, please share, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for supporting me, and bye bye.